Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today I've got something from South Korea. We've got a box full of Paldo varieties, and most of them I haven't tried, I'm pretty sure, so let's crack it open and see what's inside. Whoa, what's in here? So I talked to a company that's a distributor for Paldo products, and I asked them if they could send me some samples because it's been a while since I've had some Paldo samples, and they said yes. And so I want you to check out some things, a couple things I've had and I'm going to do special stuff with, and a few I haven't. So let's look. So check that out, King Noodle chicken flavor. I've never seen this one before, and it looks like a chicken instant noodle. It also kind of looks like, with the labeling here, reminds me of the lobster varieties, so that's interesting. Now the first one I showed you was mild. This one is spicy. And now here's one I really like. This is Namja ramen, and Namja means men. So I think women would enjoy it as well, but you know, it's men's ramen, and it's got a nice garlic hit to it. It's spicy, it's got really great noodles with it. So yeah, if you see this one, I highly recommend it. Well, tombsta is I believe a restaurant chain over in South Korea, and they've got a line of noodles that Paldo does. There's the tombsta noodle soup, there's a tombsta dry noodle. There are different scales of heat level to the tombsta products. This one is jajang, so this one has a black bean sauce, and I'd never seen it before. I'm really curious about this one, so I'll be doing this one. I'll be doing a mukbang of it as well. And what time of year is it? Well, it's summer and it's hot here, and what is better than a cold noodle in hot weather? And that's what this is, bibim. So you cook the noodle, you drain it, you rinse it with cold water, and you put the sauce on top. I've reviewed this many times, but what I wanted to do, I've been really interested in making pizza lately. And what I want to do is to make a pizza using the seasonings from this and vegetables and, you know, all sorts of garnish, to make a pizza that I'll bake in the oven and then chill in the fridge, and it's to be eaten cold. So that's pretty cool. I think it'll be fun. And last but not least, this is bucky, and this bucky is bibim bucky. Bucky is like a little tube made with rice flour. It's chewy. Some people might understand it better if I call it, like, think if beefaroni was thicker, wider, and nice and soft, and it wasn't a hollow tube, it's a solid tube. And this stuff is where it's at. And I don't know if, I'm guessing this one is served cold. We'll find out. I'll be reviewing this one as well. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at CCC for sending this over. It was very kind of you, and I really appreciate it. And yeah, I think today is the day I'm gonna make some pizza. It's one of the hottest days of the year thus far. Here in the Seattle area, it's already about 90 degrees, and that's kind of not standard temps for this area. Well, maybe they are now, but yeah, a cold noodle pizza sounds like it'll fit the bill. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And yeah, try some of these great South Korean varieties. Have a good one. Bye.